Campus Martius Park turned into a Christmas festival as WJR hosted its 49th annual Christmas Sing. Christmas in the City drew a large crowd of Metro Detroiters who skated in the park before joining an hour-long Christmas stories and a caroling sing-along hosted by Paul W. Smith and Santa.
Has anybody seen Santa? Have any of the kids in the audience seen Santa Claus? What's that?
No clue.
Santa Claus! Well, Paul W., I walked right by you. You know, it's because of the red coats. I didn't see him, because we kind of blend in together when we stand next to each other. Santa, we have a lot of nice people here, and a lot of good people listening in on News Talk 760 WJR. I'm going to guess there are more people on your nice list than naughty list that are here with us today. Oh, much more. Much more. This city, Detroit, there's so many nice people around us. It's just unbelievable. Isn't that right? And are you folks ready to sing? Are you in good voice?
WJR's Christmas Sing was presented by DMC's Children's Hospital of Michigan and Opportunity Detroit, and is part of the Winter Magic showcasing the holiday festivities at Campus Martius Park. Inside the WJR tent, it was warm and cozy. People nibbled on local cuisine while chatting with Santa and singing along with songs with the WJR family. Families took photos in front of the big Christmas tree. They ice skated in the park. They drank hot cocoa and roasted marshmallows for s'mores in the fire pit.
It's song number 2, Deck the Halls.
For YNN Logan Network, I'm assistant producer Akil Love.